Go. Right there. Hi, welcome back. So, this is my second day of my camping journey. Today, the issue is about the wind and gusts. So, according to the forecast, the wind is 10 mph with a gusts of 26. My real plan is to grill today. And if I was overwhelmed and emotional last night, today is the day to push myself to see if I can make food in this situation. So I'm going to show you how I set up my grill outside. That's the situation. I'm going to make this happen. Damn, my hands are dirty. Let's do this. Am I going to survive in the wild in this situation? Okay. It didn't go according to plan. So I'm just using my plan B. It's almost 8, I believe. Let's do this. I don't want to get overwhelmed again. One night was enough. The butane. All right. So get the butane. This works. Is it in? Turn to ignition. Oh, oh my God, it's working. So I made it work. Let's cook. You can't stop the wind. It's so strong, but that shouldn't stop me from making my food. Pork spare ribs. OMG, it smells so good. I'll try one.
Good thing I still have light because I guess it's 9 p.m. and I'm still making my food and it's still windy. I won't be eating cold food. I'm gonna try a little. Can you hear the wind? It's really gusty. Okay. So that.
Our company around have RVs, so they're really lucky. Do I regret doing this? I don't. It was just overwhelming the first day.
Mangan means let's eat. Mmm.
Mina na yung hangin? Hmm? Delivery!
Oh, thank you. Oh, we got food. Hi. Salamat.
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm making rice using the sauce because my family is requesting this with the dish.
Look at that. Knock, knock! Okay na. Pero mainit.
Salamat.
Oo.
Tinikman mo. Masarap? Yeah, one of them is great.
Sunog na yung aking marshmallow.
Kita mo tong mesh na to from here to all the way dito.
Lumalabas.
It's not yun, all the way dyan. Kaya nga lamig oh.
Pink, pink, milk. Milk din na in.
Good morning. Today's misty. It's still windy. That's my outfit, but I might still wear the robe. So, so I don't know what's brewing today. But I am leaving. It's time to go home. Home is calling. You can hear the wind is still here, and I'm in my signature robe because it's still cold. Let's make breakfast. I'm making breakfast in this misty day. Butane. Now I know how to use the butane. I'm a big girl in a big world. I have marinated chicken. This is the best. I'm not sure if I can eat all of this, but I'll eat what I can. I'm using my bare hands. Mangan! Hmm? Nalalasaan niyo yung suka? Oo. Pangit. Oh, you need to see the view. There. I like that. The trees are like the trees from Africa. I've never been to Africa. I just saw those photos and videos from, social media. So first day was overwhelming because of the situation on the spot that we had the first time because of the thorny weeds, and then that's from the first day. The second day about the gusty winds. Today being the third day, I am seeing mist and gusty wind as well. So the mist, whatever you call it, is coming from that way. It's kind of dark, but we'll be leaving soon. Hopefully it's not going to rain today. What to consider when going camping by yourself? Get help if you can't put up your tent. Get help. You can't do it on your own if it's big. If it's small, then it's doable. But if it's big, I don't think so. Don't cheapen up on your camping gears. Don't. You're not gonna survive. Don't. Normally, the durable ones are expensive ones that can stand rain, wind. So this tent of mine, even though the light was on at night, you can't see it from the outside. So there is a term to it, but I forgot, or I forgot. My brother said it. And during the day, it's not that bright. So spend so much money on very, very good tent. Make sure you have water, you have food. I didn't train for this. Even though I have my family over there, it's still different doing it on your own. I promise you. I've done camping many, many times, but being on my own, having my own space is a struggle. But the good thing about this is you have your own privacy. I enjoy the days and nights. The nights are good too. If you're bringing rice to the campground, add salt and vinegar to it. It will last for days. Coffee, don't forget your coffee. Thanks to my brother, he gave me coffee. I love the view. This campground has water and electricity. They have clean bathrooms, a shower room.
So this is the reality. Uh, Having my own space, trying to survive. But the view, I love the view.
Yung pinost ni Raisa. Hindi mo mga napanood. Oo, no, yung lalaki yun.
Hindi ko napanood
No,
parang
yung
di ba?
lalaki yun ang galing. There's a, what the heck, the kite? Oh my god, what's happening with the kite? Is that how it's supposed to? The kite must be flying, not like dragging it from the ground. Gee, that's fun. Well, there's a saying in the Philippines, so if you find a fruit, Siamese fruit, like this, like conjoined fruit, like that, if a woman eats it, she's going to have twins. I'm not trying, but uh, I love that how I decided to face my tent that way. The best view ever. I'm happy. Not because I'm going home today. I am happy because I did all of this. And I I did hesitate to go. Maybe because I have everything that I needed. It's just waiting in the garage, and I got invited over, and here I am, past 2 nights um, camping, and I'm happy. I'm happy very much, very much. If you are to experience something first time in your life, try it. If you think it's safe to do so by yourself or with a friend, do it. I'm all about making memories. But thank you, Lord, for this experience because I get to live away from my room for a few days. I'm going to make a dessert, and it's marshmallow in a skewer. But since it's fire ban, I'm using my portable stove top. So poke your marshmallow like that. Don't let it burn. Keep twisting your marshmallow until it's golden brown. It's like crusting on all sides. Don't start fire. Like I get to cook everything by the window of my tent. With that view right there. So cute. Get the marshmallow, separate the outer part from the inner, like this. There, that's how I cook my marshmallow. So I have the soft part and the crunchy part. The crunchy part is the best part. That's why you do not burn it. So this is how it looks like. Uh, hmm.